They stalk, they wait, and they strike, hunting force. They strike with bone-crushing force. Padded paws for silence, coiled shoulders for power, and a spine built for explosive speed. Every muscle fiber is tuned for the kill. Containerfic evolve. Red. The Black Panther is nature's ultimate ghost. But here's the secret. It isn't actually a separate species. And the Black Panther Ethinthium spherented. A Black Panther is simply a leopard or a jaguar hiding behind a rare genetic mutation called melanism. If you look closely under the right light, the iconic golden rosettes are still there, trapped beneath a sea of dark ink. In the deep brush of Africa and Asia, they are leopards. Through stratotumans. In the humid jungles of the Americas, they are jaguars. Same lethal power, same primal instincts, just wrapped in shadows. Panthers don't just live in the forest, they own the darkness. Black Panther and Misty. Dense rainforests and lightless wetlands are their fortress. Every polluter, every humans. Their coat is a biological cheat code, allowing them to vanish during the golden hours of dawn and dusk. If couldn't survive to canvas it event. In these deaths, visibility is a death sentence. Dead wrong step of one wrong step between life and from the Amazon to Southeast Asia, they are the silent masters of the unseen. In meta stealth of every muscle fiber is tuned for the kill. Containerfic evolve. Red. Padded paws for silence, coiled shoulders for power, and a spine built for explosive speed. They don't run their prey down, they delete them from the shadows. They stalk, they wait, and they strike, hunting force. They strike with bone-crushing force. Whether it's a deer or a wild boar, nothing is safe when the shadow moves. Melanism isn't a defect, it's an evolution. Increased survival nations, the survival range, and increased perfect additionary. Unlike the social pride of lions, the panther is a ghost that hunts alone. They patrol massive territories, marking their borders with blood and scent. In their world, silence isn't just a trait, it's a survival strategy. It's even the slice movement of stealth, and defines these magnificent papers. Even a ghost cannot hide from deforestation and illegal hunting. Their world is shrinking, and with it, and the balance of the wild. Saving the Black Panther isn't just about protecting a cat.